Hey folks, I'm Walter, and on your very first cruise, what's a good balance between port stops and staying on board the ship? Based on a 7-night cruise, I'm going to say 3 ports would be a great balance for you. Modern ships have so much to offer between, just that chill, laid back, the pool, the spa, and the chill things, and then all of the activities to do on board, plus just experiencing being on ship at sea. Now, if you go on a cruise with 4 or 5 stops, you're definitely going to have opportunities for some amazing adventures at those destinations. The other option is just to take one of those stops and stay on board the ship. Make it a ship day. 75% of the ship is going to get off and go off and do those things out at the port. You can stay on board the ship and basically have the whole ship to yourself and maybe explore some things that you haven't gotten to because maybe they were too crowded. So for your first cruise, maybe look for something that has 3 ports so you've got plenty of time to explore the ship. Or if you do something with more stops, take one of those stops and turn it into a ship day to really see what the ship has to offer.